अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अद्दर्सुस्सामिन अशर अत्तालिबुल मिसाली, Lesson 18, The Ideal Student. Already you are aware about ideal student, ऐसा स्टूडेंट जो दूसरों के लिए मिसाल और नमूना और एग्जाम्पल बन सके. Yes, and that's why I always says बाअदब बानसीब, बेअदब बेनसीब. So here also one lesson is there, that how Jasim do his work actively. So we also make intents to become like Jasim. Kharaja Jasim min al-bayti mubakkira. Jasim left the house, came out from the house early morning. Mubakkira, early morning. Look, for morning in Arabic it is sabah. As we say for wishing, sabahan khair, masa al khair. Sabah means morning, but bukratun means early morning. For early morning there is separate word, bukra, mubakkira. Rakiba sayyara wa nazala amam al madrasa. He ride motor car and get down front of the school. Wasala Jasim ila al madrasati qabla al waqti al muhaddad. Jasim reached to the school before fixed time. Jasim reached the school before fixed time. Waqti al muhaddad, fixed time. Wasala yasilu, to reach. So this is the sign of ideal student, that he get up early in the morning, early he come out from the house for going to school, and before fixed time he reach the school, not becoming late. Zahaba ila al-maktaba, he went to the library. Maktaba, library. Kanatil maktaba maftuha, the library was open. Rahaba bihi aminul maktaba, the librarian welcomed him. Librarian welcomed him. वो जल्दी पहुंचा स्कूल तो सीधा कहाँ गया? लाइब्रेरी में. So librarian welcome. Rahaba yurahibu, to welcome. Wada'a Jasim hakibatahu ala tawilatin inda amin al-maktaba. Jasim kept his bag on table with librarian. Jasim kept his bag on table near librarian or with librarian. Aminul Maktaba means librarian. Tawila, table. Hakiba, bag. Already you are aware about it. Waza'a, to keep. He kept. Jasim kept his bag on table with librarian. Wajalasa ala al-maq'ad, and sit on the bench. Thumma tanawala kitab al-lugatil injiliziyya. Then he took English language book. Then he took tanawala, fa'il mazi, past tense. Then he took English language book. Qara'a Jasim qissatan musalliyatan. Jasim read funny story. Jasim read funny story. उसने बुक ली रीडिंग करने के लिए, उसमें स्टोरीज थी. बट why he read that story? Not for fun, for learning. So what he learned? Lahaza Jasimun Bazal Alfazil Jadida. Jasim noticed some new words. Jasim noticed some new words. Wal istamalatir ra'iya, and wonderful uses. and wonderful uses. इसलिए ये होना चाहिए कि जब भी हम इंग्लिश रीड करें या अरबिक एनी लैंग्वेज व्हेन वी आर लर्निंग और रीडिंग, so not only that we reading is not enough, but we take knowledge from that and utilize that new words in different ways. तो जासिम ने भी न्यू वर्ड्स लिए और फिर उसका यूजेस देखा कि ये वर्ड कहाँ कहाँ कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे यहां भी रहबा आया, वेलकम. वैसे ऑलवेज वेलकम के लिए क्या आता था? अहला व सहला व मरहबा, वेलकम, यानी शॉर्ट में बोल देते थे. लेकिन उसका वर्ब क्या आ रहा है? रहबा. व नसखा फी दफ्तरिही, एंड ही कॉपीड इट इन हिज बुक. उसमें से जो वर्ड्स न्यू मिले उसको लिख लिया. हीनमा दक्कल जरसुल अव्वल, व्हेन फर्स्ट बेल रैंग, सल्लमल किताब इला मिनिल मक्तबा सुम्मा अखज़ हकीबतहु, he gave the book to librarian, then he took his bag, hazar as-saf, and attend the class. Hinama, when dakkal jarasul awwal, first bell rang, sallam al-kitab ila amin al-maktaba, he gave the book to the librarian, summa akhaz hakibatahu, then he took his bag, wa hazar as-saf, and attend the class, wa sami'a ad-dars bid-diqqati wan-nishad, and he heard lesson carefully and actively, and heard lesson, ya listen the lesson carefully, bid-diqqati, carefully, wan-nishad, and actively. So this was the translation. Once again I am repeating, listen carefully, and if you have original book of Arabic text, so whatever red color highlighted, that all are Failul Mazi past tense. Yes. Kharaja Jasim min al-baytil mubakkara. Jasim left the house early morning. Rakiba sayyara, ride the motor car. Wa nazala amam al-madrasa, and get down front of the school. Wasala Jasim ila al-madrasati qabla al-waqti al-muhaddad. Jasim reached the school before fixed time. Zahaba ila al-maktaba, went to the library. Kanatil maktabatu maftuhatan, library was open. Rahaba bihi aminul maktaba, the librarian welcomed him. Waza'a Jasim hakibatu ala tawilatin in the aminil maktaba. Jasim kept his bag on the table near, with librarian. Wajalas ala al-maqad, and sit on the bench. Summa tanawala kitab al-lughat al-injliziyya, then he took English language book. Qara'a Jasim qissatan musalliyatan, Jasim read funny story. Lahaza Jasim ba'z al-alfaz al-jadida, Jasim noticed some new words. Wal istimalat al-ra'iyya, and useful and wonderful uses and useful words. Wa nasakha fi daftari, and he copied it in his book. Hinama dakkal jarasul awwal, when first bell rang, sallam al-kitab ila amin al-maktaba, he gave the book to the librarian. Summa akhadha hakibata, then he took his bag. Wa hazar as-saf, and attend the class. Wa sami'a ad-darsa bit-tiqqati wan-nashad, and heard and listened the lesson carefully and actively. Dikka carefully, nishad actively. So this was the translation of this lesson. Listen it carefully. Write in your notebook if you want to write. अगर लिखना हो, याद ना रहे तो लिख करके याद कर लेना. And prepare all exercise. Inshallah next time I will forward you the exercise video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.